Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make tomato sauce and how I like to hide veggies within my tomato sauce because it's great for kids and for adults and for me who does not like any vegetables. But I make sure that I eat them one way or another, and this is one of my favorite ways to do it. And expect to see a lot of sauces on my channel for the next little bit. I have a lot of cool ones coming to you, so I hope you enjoy. For this recipe, you're going to need to start with a big can of diced tomatoes, a big can of pureed tomatoes, a can of peas and carrots, and a small can of tomato paste. So with the can of peas and carrots, I drained all the liquid, I rinsed it, drained the liquid again, and then I filled the can up with water. And I'm going to pour all of that into my little blender. Another option is to grate some vegetables or get some frozen ones, steam them, and then blend them. Then I'm going to go ahead and just blend this until it makes a smooth puree. Looks a little not appealing right now, but don't worry, you won't even tell once it's in the rest of the sauce. Over on the stove, I have my nice big deep cast iron pot. And to this, I added in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 full diced onion. You've seen me dice an onion so many times that I was like, you do not need to see it again. And I'm just going to go ahead and saute this until the onions become nice and translucent. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic. Give that a good mix for about 30 seconds to a minute. You want your garlic to be fragrant, but not brown. Then we're going to take that vegetable puree we made earlier and we're going to add it right into our pot. Then we're going to take our can of tomato puree and we're going to add the whole thing into our pot, simply because I don't like to waste it. When I use half and put it away, it will never get used again, so might as well just use all of it. And then we're going to go ahead and give this a good mix, and you just want to cook it down for about like a minute or two. Make sure it's all nice and combined. We're going to go in with a full can of diced tomatoes as well as a full can of our pureed tomatoes. And then we're going to go in with a half a can of water, and then you're just going to give that all a mix. As you can see here, you can't even tell the vegetable puree is in there. It just looks like regular old-fashioned tomato sauce. And then we're going to go ahead and start to season it. I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's just going to help balance out the acidity from the tomatoes. And then as far as your herbs and spices go, you can be creative and add in whatever you'd like. I'm gonna go in with salt and pepper to taste. I would suggest doing that. You don't want to skip that part. And then I went in with parsley, oregano, Italian seasoning, basil, and chili flakes because I like a lot of different flavors in my tomato sauce. But feel free to really customize it and make it your own. Give it all a nice stir. And then we're going to put a lid on it, and you're going to leave it ajar because you want steam to escape, but you also want to make sure you're not cleaning for 10,000 years if it splatters all over your oven. And this is the way to do it. You can let this simmer anywhere from 30 minutes to about 2 hours. You just want to bring it to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer and just let it go, and that's really going to help marinate all these flavors together. And then once you're done, we're going to go over to the counter to jar it. So I'm going to fill these jars up about halfway because that's as much as I need to feed 2 people. But if you're doing like a full family size, you're going to want to fill this pretty much all the way to the top, but you're going to leave an inch of space because I like to freeze my cans and I like to leave a little bit of room for it to expand when it freezes. If you want to see a video on like how to actually can your sauces, let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do that for you. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every week, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, guys, bye!